Hi, this is Smriti from Simply Crafted for Handmade, and today I have a very beautiful set of coasters that I've made on white acrylic from Craft Angles with alcohol inks and with some gilding foils. So just look at this, these are gorgeous and they are very nice, and it's a very fun and easy project. So I'm sure you're going to really like it. So first, let me tell you all the products that I have used while making these coasters. So I have used alcohol inks, and this is the bundle that I have used. It is available on the website of Craft Angles. So please go ahead and take it. And the alcohol blending solution again from Tim Holtz again. And these are the gilding flakes, copper penny, which I have used from Craft Angles. They are very nice and very easy to use, and you will really like them. Liquid glaze, as always, I have always mentioned one of my favorite last minute things to do, and this is what I've used to seal these coasters. Now these are the acrylic white coasters. They had a sticky backing like this on it. I removed one to show it to you, and this is where I will be working on. And once I'm done, then I will remove these backing. Now this backing also, since it was sticky back, I wanted to use it. So how did I use it? I used it with the reactive foils from Craft Angles. I used this rose gold color, and I will show you how I'm going to use it. I will not use it in this particular project, but I will just show you how we can even use this waste material. And for the edges, I used Posca pens, and I really like the liquid flow of Posca pens. So this is what I used to give the edges. Now let's start making these. Okay, they're super easy, and it's actually a very fun project. So we will start with the acrylic coasters, and only after I stop admiring them. Yes, I think the gilding effect gave, was so beautiful that I have admired it for a long time. Okay, now back to our tutorial. So this is a set of 4 coasters which Craft Angle gives you, and I took 2 of them, and then I took this bundle of alcohol inks and the blending solution. And after opening them, I'm going to shake them up really nicely. I have a habit of shaking up all my products before using them if I've not used them for a very long time. Sometimes the pigment sets, and so I like to shake them. So remove the sticky back from one side. I like this because, when the coasters come to you, they are really nice. There is no scratch whatsoever. So I really liked it. See, it is completely clean, no scratch whatsoever. So on top of this, I'm going to start pouring my blending solution, and with that, I'm going to start adding the alcohol inks as well. Here, drop by drop, I'm going to add, rotate them around, put some more. Now the trick of alcohol inks is that you always use them little by little. Create the base, okay, little by little. Keep adding. Don't try and achieve your target in just one attempt. No, it is something which you build up. Now, as you could see that my coaster was flying off, so I took some masking tape and I stuck it to the base so that now it will stay. And so that now when I use my hair dryer and I will just blow the inks around, it will stay in its place. And see, you can see the technique. It's very easy. Just keep pouring your blending solution, keep pouring your alcohol inks, dry it in the direction you want. Wherever you want to add more color, drop some more color. Wherever you want to kind of get back your white base, then probably add some more solution and dilute the color, and so on and so forth. So you can do it till the time you are convinced, and with the blow dryer you can dry it in the directions that you want, creating various patterns, whatever you want, waves or florals or patterns or circles, however you like it. Now I think I'm kind of now happy with this now, after doing this. So once I have achieved what I'm out to achieve, like once I feel that, oh, this is a nice pattern, I'm going to clean off the edges. And then the edges are where you have a thick line, they're still wet. There I'm going to use these gilding flakes. So gilding flakes need just anything to basically adhere on. Okay, so here I'm just going to encash this thing that the alcohol inks have dried, but the edges are still slightly wet. So I'm just going to push this gilding flake on top of it with a soft bristle brush, and basically just keep moving it around, keep pressing it back. So it is going to stick wherever it is wet, and whatever little is like running around, I'm going to pick it up again with the brush and again try and brush it onto my coaster, and it will stick wherever it has. So see, It was so simple and easy, and just in a second, I kind of gave such a beautiful exuberance to this coaster. Now, just like this, we are going to do the second one as well. Again, remove the sticky back. You might need the help of a sharp knife or maybe a cutter to basically remove this. I could not remove it with my fingernails, which is good, I think. And now that I'm ready, I will again start pouring in my blending solution and the color, and then start, spreading the color out with the help of my hair dryer. Again, it is a repeat process. So basically, keep adding the solution and keep adding the color as and where you like, and keep blowing it in the directions as to wherever you like. And when you feel that you are done and you are convinced with the pattern that you have created, or it is looking nice, that is when we can start adding the gilding flakes. Till about that time, well, it is a repetitive process of adding alcohol solution and the alcohol inks. Blending solution and the alcohol inks, right? And just keep blowing it around in different directions, whatever you want to create, as I told you earlier. And once you are ready, that is when you will clean the sides, bring in your gilding flakes, and just paste your gilding flakes here and there, or I would say place it here and there. And now with the help of a brush, because they're very sticky, don't try and use it with your fingers, okay? So with the help of a brush, now just brush it off. So what it is going to give you, very nice, subtle, asymmetric look, which is exactly what I wanted. And gilding flakes are brilliant to achieve these looks. Very, very easy. See, in a second I could achieve these, right? So this is it. Now let's finish it up. How are we going to finish it up? Oh, before that, let me show you how am I going to use these sticky bags. So I am going to take reactive foils, rose gold, and I really like the packing again, and I think it was very nicely packed, otherwise it would have gotten crushed. So it's a very, very big roll, but let me tell you, it is going to last you for a very long time. It is a super, super good investment, you should do. And so just cut out a little bit of whatever I needed. I thought this much is enough for me to basically just take care of the sticky bags that I have taken out. And now keep it down and just press it and remove it. That's it. Oh, something like waxing, right? Yes. So that is it. Now look at this. This is so pretty. I can now store it, and whichever project I need, I can probably use this to die cut, or maybe use it as a base underneath, whatever. It something which I can just keep. So for the edges, as I told you, I used Posca pens, gold color, and then basically the tip is small and the edge is small, so it's easy for you to kind of just cover it easily, nicely. And once it is dry, I'm just going to keep it on top of something so that it doesn't stick to anything and dry. Later, I'm going to pour liquid glaze on top of it. Yes, you can see me. I have already poured liquid glaze on top of it, and I'm going to rotate it so that it covers the entire area. And once dried, you can see the result. It is so pretty, so beautiful, and so nice. I hope you've really enjoyed this. Do let me know what you think about this project. Try and make it, and stay tuned. Bye.